SightPro's new magnetic privacy screen is the perfect addition to your laptop. This magnetic privacy screen doesn't require sticky glues or damaging adhesives. It is easy to put on, remove, and reattach. The reversible screen provides two options for viewing. The matte side reduces glare, and the glossy side gives more clarity. With its anti-glare and blue light protection, your eyes will stay protected and feel comfortable for hours. It will effectively black out privacy from side views outside the 60-degree viewing angle, but does not block the view from the back regardless of the distance. When the privacy screen is attached, the lid of the laptop may have a slight gap when closed. However, your laptop will still go into sleep mode or turn off. If there are bubbles, get an anti-static wipe to clean the laptop screen. Add the SightPro magnetic privacy screen to your laptop to protect your information with a clean, professional look.